In this video, I'm going to show you how to make conditional field in ClickUp form. So first thing that we'll need to do is go over to our space and we will need to create a new form. So first thing we need to do is click on view and click on form. So here we will create any form that you want. So I'll be using feedback form as an example, and I'll just use list. And um, first we need to add a question. So for example, we'll add a multi-select section or question and click on labels. Now here you will add, for example, I'll just name it conditional field as an example and label the options right here. For example, conditional and non-conditional. This is just random choices. So just click on create, and once you've created the field, you will see the conditional logic right here. So make sure that it is turned on, and um, take note also that this feature isn't available on your current plan. So make sure to upgrade to Business Plus to unlock conditional logic and forms. So once you have upgraded, all you need to do is just click on this button right here, and it will automatically turn on conditional field. And that's about it. That's how to make conditional field in ClickUp form. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.